Hey.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Yeah. Hey man, today we're doing some holy hot chicken at the pit.
Sounds good.
And primary ingredient though is you're gonna need some poultry perfection. You gotta check this out. This is fabulous. I'll tell you what, when you need something for your chicken, check out this. Oh man, it smells good, man. Poultry perfection.
Goes a long way, man. We talked about that.
Oh yeah,
Shoot.
Yep. You don't need much, but you'll see, right? Goes a long way. So you got to check it out.
All right.
So now, the holy hot chicken. Simple. What you want is some boneless, skinless chicken breast. Just like that, right? You're familiar with those. And as most of you know, chicken breasts can be quite bland, right? Same thing. Oh man, chicken doesn't have much fat in it, so obviously not a lot of flavor. So you got to bring the flavor. So what we're going to do is we're going to prepare these boneless, skinless chicken breasts for a marinade, and we like to do it at least 4 or 5 hours. Overnight is better because we want to get all these flavors in. So we're going to cut these in half, right? And you can use your own method, or maybe your butcher will do it for you as well. And we just take your trusty knife and cut them in half, just like that, right? Simple enough. Do another one just in case you fell asleep. Again, take your knife, cut, boom. Simple enough, right? Here we go. And there we go. All right, so we got some chicken. Now, let's make them whole. And I'll show you what I'm going to do now.
Go.
Okay, so this is how we're going to make them whole. We're going to take one of our breasts, just like that. And we're going to take an apple core. This is a standard apple core, right? You've seen these before. We're going to check it out. And we're going to make them whole. So we're going to take our apple core, and we're going to make plug holes, just like that. This is a lot of fun to do. The kids will love it because it's different. And what we're going to get by doing this method is a very quick way to marinate and tenderize, right? Because marinating is all about tenderizing. And see, we can get these plugs.
Oh, yeah.
See those plugs coming out? Yeah. We're going to keep those. We're going to marinate those too. They could be some snacking. So it's a good way to do like chicken nuggets, right? You know, the standard chicken nuggets you see. We've all loved our chicken nuggets. So we just do these here. Pull them out. Pull them out. About right here. And there you go. Take a look at that. Sometimes you get a little fiber. Hold on, we just trim a little bit like that. And so, here's your holy chicken right there. All right? That's going into a marinade bag. So I'm going to do it again, but I think you get the picture. All right? You just take your apple core. Come on, you know this is going to be a winner. When have you ever seen your chicken like this? Oh, yeah. This is good. So, there you go. There's your holy chicken, or holy hot chicken. All right. Let me get this one a little bit better right here. There. Good. Some more holy chicken. You get the picture. All right. We'll move on to the next step in the marinade. All right. The holes are done. That was the hardest part. Now the marinating. All right. So we're just going to get a marinating bag, and you can marinate any way you want, of course. And so we're just using these marinade bags. It's easy. And we're going to throw these holy chicken breasts in here. Okay? And these plugs are about the best part.
Yeah, we're gonna use it. We'll make some chicken
Better
bites
than
with
chicken McNuggets. Ooh. Everybody knows what we're talking about. Throw them in the bag. All right, so now let's get all the ingredients we're going to need for this. All right, so for the marinade, pretty simple. We've got some soy sauce. So we're going to use a half a cup of soy, more or less. There we go. Half a cup of soy sauce. There's your salt. All right. Here we're going to use half a cup of olive oil. Again, a cup of olive oil. Somewhat of a standard chicken marinade. All right, like that. Now, we've got some honey. We've got the sweet. In here, let me open this up. There we go. And we're going to put about 3 tablespoons of honey, more or less. Add the sweet. This takes a long time, right? Depends how good your honey is. There we go. All right. Honey's in. Now, we've got some minced garlic. Here's your flavor profile here. So, oh man, that smells good. So we're going to use about a tablespoon of garlic. It's minced garlic. It's quite a bit. So you can decide how much garlic you want in here, but everything goes better with garlic, right? So there we go. Got that. Now, the most important ingredient.
Oh, yeah.
We have our poultry perfection. This adds all the flavoring you need. Right? So we're going to do a good tablespoon. We don't need any more.
Nope.
There's a lot of intense flavor in here. It goes a long, long way. You'll end up using this on everything, including your eggs in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
So, all right. So, got a nice tablespoon going in there. That. So, and here we've got some chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. Here's your holy heat right there. All right, so we're going to take one of these adobo peppers. I might even do 2, depends how big they are. Here we go. And anybody who's used the chipotle and adobo sauce knows the flavor is outrageous. This will add the heat and a smokiness, a very, very intense smoke, because these are obviously smoked chili peppers. Right? So we're just going to cut that up. You can add more if you want, depends how much heat you want, but you start with this. Yeah. And it goes. All right. Now, this is a very important part. We got to make it holy, so we got some red wine. Just a little bit of red wine. Perfect. I'm going to seal the bag. That. Let's just give it a good mix. Get all your flavoring together. Oh man, this is good enough to eat already. You know it is. All right, so in the fridge it goes 3 hours, 4 hours would be best overnight. That would be real awesome, right? All those flavors will get in there, and they will marinate quickly because of all the holes. All right, so to the refrigerator it goes. We'll check back in a little bit. Boom. Cool. Thumbs up. All right, and in the miracle of time, this hot holy chicken has been marinated overnight. So I'm going to just show you right here. Take a look at that.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Oh. Can you hear that? Sounds good. We're going direct over the flame at first. We want to sear it. Looks great.
There are a lot of holes in the chicken.
Yeah.
All the heat's gonna go through the holes. So
Yeah.
yeah. Gonna cook the chicken.
This is how we get some religion right here, man. Right here. I mean, take a look at that. Man, look.
Good.
Look at that. The sear marks.
It's like a tiger.
Man, good.
Tiger meat.
It smells great.
Now you want to cook your chicken to about 165 degrees Fahrenheit, somewhere in that range, more or less. Oh yeah.
Okay.
All
Hey,
right.
Joe's here.
Smokey's here, checking on the smoke. You got it. Thank you, thank you. Lord have mercy. So you can see doing it this way, you get a lot of that marinade inside the chicken, right? Cooks quick. You get the fire of hell coming up from underneath with the flames. Right? This is a religious experience. That's how we look at it. So,
The fire is no competition to the goodness of the holy chicken. Right?
that's it.
The goodness of the holy chicken.
That's
will always
it.
win.
All right. Again, right over. This is all good. There you go. Holy, holy chicken.
Whoa. Fire and brimstone,
Yep.
man. Holy cow.
Cool. Whoop. Still got a plug. Plug. Cool. Hey, look. It's more about the look.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Perfect.
Got little,
The holy hot chicken.
got little nuggets there for the kids, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Plug nuggets.
You're gonna have those
Plug
next.
nugs.
Plug nuggets.
So what we're gonna do,
Got plug nuggets for the kids. Yeah.
get them on a plate.
Smells great already.
There you go. Can't beat that. And what we like to do is take a little more of the perfection. What we're gonna do is this. Oh, Look at that. Smells good.
All right.
Yeah.
It's like you're doing hibachi. Look at the hibachi of the grill.
I love the black one.
Oh, yeah. See?
I scraped the shit out of it.
Yeah, the paint's peeling off the unit. Yeah.
That's how we get it.
I haven't opened up my Blackstone yet.
Yeah.
But I put it out.
Wait, is that new?
Was new. But I put down a 1/4 inch
Yep.
of Crisco on it.
Okay.
When I locked it after it's all
Oh,
cooled
all
down,
right.
it's done.
Okay.
Before I shut.
Nuggets are done. And here comes the train. The engineer stops here. Anytime they come in here, they stop. Look at that. Oh, man.
Yeah. All right.
That really is good.
You got it.
Super good.
You can deep fry those too.
Oh,
That's
definitely.
a great thing. Deep fried to get it even more crisp. But
Now it's good.
Yeah. Really
I
good.
tell y'all, we were kids. That's good.
Yeah.
very good.
Very, very good.